Hello everyone, and thank you for checking into the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and today we are showing you the Tusk Headlight Guard for the Yamaha Ténéré 700. This is kind of one of those accessories where you might not know or think you need it until after it's too late. You know, you could be on the highway, have a rock get kicked up by a car, you could catch some roost, maybe hit a tree branch and damage your headlight. And I'm gonna say right now that the OEM headlights for this bike, they're not cheap. So you do wanna add some protection in this area of the motorcycle. So what's nice about this is that it's powder coated aluminum, it's nice and lightweight, it looks cool, and it mounts up super easy. All the mounting hardware comes included. You don't have to do any modification to get this mounted up. And another nice benefit too is that when you do need to clean your headlight, it's easy to remove this to do that. You just have these 4 bolts right here in the front that are holding that in place. You can just undo those, pop it off real quick, clean the headlight, and then pop it back on there. So if you do have a Yamaha Ténéré 700, this is an accessory that is definitely worth picking up before it's too late, so be proactive. If you do have questions or comments, we'll get those answered. Leave those in the comment section below. To grab one today, it is very simple. You can just click on the link in the description or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you like this video, well, make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. We've got a lot of great accessories already built for the Yamaha Ténéré 700, so be sure to check those out. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.